If your engine has ever run hotter than normal or you've seen that temperature gauge creeping up, you already know how stressful that moment feels. But here's the good news. Learning how to top up engine coolant is one of the simplest things you can do to protect your car from serious damage. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it the right way, avoid costly mistakes, and keep your engine running cool and healthy. Stick with me because one small detail people ignore ends up causing big problems later. Before we start, take a second to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who might be driving around with low coolant right now. And if you've ever had overheating issues, drop a comment below and tell me what happened, because that experience might help someone else avoid the same situation. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that your engine coolant isn't just water. It's a carefully formulated fluid designed to regulate temperature, prevent corrosion, and protect your engine in both hot and cold conditions. So topping it up isn't just about adding liquid, it's about adding the right liquid. Always start with a completely cool engine. This is not something you want to rush. Opening the coolant reservoir while the engine is hot can be dangerous because of the built-up pressure. Once the engine has cooled down, locate the coolant reservoir, which is usually a translucent plastic tank with minimum and maximum markings on the side. When you check the level and notice it's below the minimum line, that's your sign to top it up. But here's where many people go wrong. They just grab any coolant they find. That's a mistake you want to avoid. Coolants come in different types and colors, and those colors actually indicate different chemical formulations. Mixing the wrong types can lead to reduced performance, sludge buildup, or even internal damage to your cooling system. For example, my car uses blue coolant, so I always top up with blue coolant recommended by the manufacturer. That way, I know I'm maintaining the correct balance and protecting the engine the way it was designed. Always check your owner's manual or manufacturer specifications before adding anything, because using the wrong coolant can do more harm than good. And here's something a lot of people get wrong. You don't need to open the radiator cap to add coolant. In fact, you should top up through the reservoir. The system is designed to draw coolant from the reservoir into the radiator as needed, so using the reservoir is safer, cleaner, and helps you avoid topping up with excessive coolant. When you're ready to top up, slowly pour the coolant into the reservoir until it reaches the maximum line. You can use a funnel to help you pour the coolant easily into the reservoir. Take your time with this step because overfilling can also cause issues. Once you're done, securely close the cap. Then start the engine for a few minutes to let the coolant circulate. After that, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your levels over the next few days. If you notice the coolant dropping again quickly, that could mean there's a leak somewhere, and it's something you should address immediately before it turns into a bigger problem. Knowing how to top up engine coolant is one of those small skills that can save you from expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. It's quick, it's easy, and it makes a huge difference in how your car performs and lasts over time. If this video helped you feel more confident about maintaining your car, make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with others who might find it useful. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one where we keep making car care simple and stress-free.